Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to perform a safety reset on your Chromebook. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu launcher and type in settings. Best results should come back with settings here. Go ahead and open that up. On the left panel, you want to go down and select system preferences. And then on the right side, you want to scroll down underneath Reset, Safety Reset, remove unwanted pop-ups, fix network issues, and more by restoring your settings to safe defaults. Select Safety Reset, and then you'll go ahead and select Safety Reset here, and give that a moment. And that's pretty much it. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.